Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 KTM 1190 Adventure. This thing is in fantastic condition, only 17,000 miles. It's got a very aggressive on-off-road tire, a lot of extra upgrades, including alt-rider fold wrap, black anodized aluminum skid plate, RNG radiator screen, KTM crash bars, Cyclops headlight bulbs. It's got a Hyper Pro RSC steering damper, Rottweiler folding mirrors, a TerraTech GPS mounting, wings, black carbon fiber exhaust system. I think sounds fantastic. Jesse luggage mounts with Moscow Moto luggage. Just had its valve adjustment at 15,000. It's got a foot plate on the side stand so she won't tip over. It's got a center stand, heated grips, Moose Racing hand guards. It's got a heated seat, TerraTech rear aluminum top case. Don't miss out. It's only $10,999. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www. Oh, by the way, electronically adjustable suspension. This thing is totally loaded. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. That thing has everything. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.